really delicious.
It's good. It's very good garlic bread. It's good. It's got a nice pop. It's fantastic.
Good garlic, not overwhelming.
Very good. Very good.
I'd buy it.
It's good. Did you like it?
I like it a lot.
It's got like a garlicky taste.
It's really good.
Yeah.
It's
I like
really
it.
garlicky.
Yeah, but
And
it's
really
like
good.
the perfect amount of garlic and bread.
It's not too garlicky, not too cheesy. It's just right. That's really good.
I like the cheese on it, and I'm a cheese connoisseur, so when I say I like the cheese, it's good.
I'd buy like 5 jars.
Absolutely delicious. Oh,